So just a quick start off, these are my kit brushes and these are always clean. So they get cleaned after every appointment, they get cleaned in between appointments. These are the babies, these always get cleaned. But I am totally guilty. You would not think I was a makeup artist when you look at my own personal brushes. So they're a collection of both Zoeva, there's some Charlotte Tilbury, a Primark one, I love that one, MAC, but I don't take care of these nowhere near as much as I should. For me, and I think for a lot of women, I quite like the build up on the blusher brush. I quite like that at any given moment that has a little bit of product on. You know, if you're going to chuck that in your handbag, in your little makeup bag, that's probably got something on. You don't need to bring your blusher. But hygiene-wise, that is not okay. They're only going on my own face. Yes, they're not going on other people's faces, but I should still be, like, you know, caring that they're on my face. So I'm going to start by cleaning up one of my Zoeva brushes, one of my fluffy eyelid crease brushes. This is what I tend to do with this particular brush. You just carve out the crease, nice and soft, great for buffing out any sharp edges, any kind of straight lines. So this gets used every day. This is a Zoeva 221. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the Isoclean. We're going to pour it into our little dip tray. And we're going to rub the little bristles of this brush gently in this product for 5 seconds. So what you're seeing... Is that a joke? Okay. So then we take the brush and we gently rub that. I'm embarrassed. Right, so that's just with one tiny little go on an absolutely filthy brush. In fact, I'm going to do that again on here. And not only is that brush completely clean, I'm so ashamed, but it is completely sanitized as well now. Okay, so before I go back and clean up all of my brushes, because now I'm like obsessed with putting this one in, because if that's what happened to 3 of my eyeshadow brushes, I don't even know what's going to happen when this one's cleaned up. I haven't seen that one's white bristles for so long, so I'm looking forward to doing that one. But just a quick one on here, 63% of products in individual beauty kits were often found to be contaminated with bacteria. So that's your regular own makeup bag. I don't use my kit on my face. I use my kit for my business. Like this, a regular Primark makeup bag, beauty blender, Real Techniques. I've got L'Oreal, there's, I don't even know what that is. We've got some Revlon, Sunkissed, Amrezy. It's probably my favourite thing in there. But what I'm saying is that I have a regular makeup bag, like most of my friends, like my mum. So there might be 63% of this stuff in here is contaminated with bacteria. And that will be solely down to the fact of using dirty brushes. So this I would definitely recommend. I'll tag them in, have a look at their website. I actually found it really reasonable. I was expecting it to be quite expensive and it really wasn't. And I can't wait to clean my brushes. Yeah.